More breaking news in the fight to keep dozens of people exposed to the coronavirus out of an Orange County neighborhood. There are 53 cases of the coronavirus in the U.S. and many more are under quarantine.
The state wants to put some of those people in facilities in Costa Mesa. The people who live there say not so fast. CBS 2 Orange County reporter Michelle Gili is live in Santa Ana, where a judge has agreed with them for now. Michelle?
That's right. These coronavirus patients will not be moved to the city of Costa Mesa, at least for the next week. Now, the federal court judge ruled late today that more evaluation is needed. Let's show you the video of Fairview Developmental Center. It's a state-owned facility. More evaluation, the judge says, is needed before anyone is moved from Travis Air Force Base in Northern California. Last Friday night, a temporary restraining order was issued because Costa Mesa city leaders successfully argued that they had no details of the plan to move dozens of infected people into a densely populated area, potentially putting entire communities in Orange County and LA County at risk. The federal government and the state of California had made the decision without any feedback from Costa Mesa, the mayor claims. This brought protesters to federal court this afternoon, many of them from Costa Mesa. They were carrying signs saying the federal government is putting us at risk. Those residents also packed the courtroom upstairs as we waited for the judge to rule.
That we will continue to push back against this very bad decision to place people who have tested positive for the coronavirus in the middle of the second most densely populated county in California and risk the spread of that infectious disease to many, many others much more quickly.
So the temporary restraining order, to sum up, has been extended. The question is, what will happen beyond Monday? All of the parties, that's the state, the city of Costa Mesa, the federal government, they will all be meeting here again in federal court on Monday, and the judge will then have to decide, is this something that's permanent? Will these people actually be moved to Costa Mesa, or will they be told to stay away? That's the latest live in Santa Ana. I'm Michelle Gili. Back to you.